Welcome to another episode of BytesTV. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Valen, here to bring you the latest in tech news, gadgets, and tips.
Hey Valen, are you into robotics?
Why, you want to battle?
Anyway, let's check out some Hawaii kids that are doing big things in the world of robotics.
Well, we're here at the 5th annual First in Hawaii Regional Robotics Competition. The first robotics program is kind of the varsity level of the various robotics programs that we offer. It culminates all of the skill sets that the students are learning from the time they enter first Lego League, through bot ball, through underwater robotics, into VEX and micro robotics, and then also the large robots, kind of capping in that large robot. So they've got an incredible set of skills that they can then take with them to their secondary education and then into their careers.
Yeah, you have to balance on the bridges and also try and pick up the basketballs and score them into either the blue or the red, depending on which alliance you're on, like red or blue.
We do design studies and we draw out everything on the board, and as a team we collaborate and we decide what is going to best benefit this year's game and what is the best thing that we can do for our robot this year. So that's what we do.
What we're presenting is what we're thinking of rules of the game.
This week, first Team 359 started off strong. After a brainstorming session on Sunday, the team divided and conquered. Construction began work on the playing field, as well as prototyping the drivetrain. CAD assisted with drivetrain, and animation began work on their storyboard. Control systems began coding so that the robot could be controlled using Kinect. And documentation worked on the business and sustainability plans and the weekly video and updating the website.
This week, the Hawaiian kids have been working extremely hard on this season's competition. The construction division has been working on finishing these beautiful backboards behind me, remodeling and finishing the prototype shooter, then testing it to make sure that accuracy, consistency, and distance is correct. We've also been working on the drivetrain and finished the clutch. The programming division added a PID loop to control RPM of the shooter, worked on advanced Connect programming, put together Texas Instruments computer, which is used for testing prototypes, automated software and sensors for balancing the robot on the bridge, and finished the electronics board. While the CAD division worked on the animation storyline and virtually drawing the drivetrain. The CPR division worked on the engineering inspiration binder, while the visual media division worked on recording all the other divisions and working on this weekly video. While the website division worked on updating the website to meet judging criteria and took pictures of everybody working hard. Now, away from this season's competition, we had 6th grade orientation, where 2 local elementary schools came by to visit our campus and our robotics facilities. So as you can see, the Team 359, the Hawaiian Kids, have been working very hard and truly putting teamwork, commitment, and responsibility to the test.
The Waialua Robotics team continued their teamwork, commitment, and responsibilities as they carried out their robotics duties. Working on creating a successful robot, Team 359's machinists have finished planning the drivetrain as well as the robot frame and superstructure. They even started working on the robot bumpers and tested the robot shooter for higher consistency and accuracy.
The System Controls Group, also known as the programmers, helped program the shooter and practice balancing the robots on the bridge. They also worked on perfecting the Connect programming while making time to travel to Lelehua High School to help their rookie team. Meanwhile, the CAD members created more objects and props, such as buildings, to go along with the animation video.
On the documentation side, the website creators continued to update and improve the team website. Along with the daily articles, they uploaded past events and safety tips. Another job they took on was the creation of our team's Vimeo account. That way, Team 359 fans can watch our videos on YouTube as well as Vimeo.
The composition and public relations members finally completed the team's sustainability and business plan while working on the outreach and impact sections to the engineering inspiration binder as well.
Team coordinator Glenn Lee also made time to meet with Maunaloa High School's robotics team coordinator to give him program management and sustainability tips. The team even had a chance to celebrate Mr. Lee's 26th birthday with some cake and magic candles. Half of the build season is now gone.
and the Hawaiian kids continued their hard work and dedication.
It's almost time for Rebound Rumble! This week, Team 359 had many projects. It was a very hectic week for us all, but as usual, we pushed through and had a very productive week. The visual media team has had a lot of work. They have been filming and taking photos of the various divisions, as well as working on this weekly video. The CPR team has been busy updating the Sustainability Business and Management Plan, while they also updated sections of the Engineering Inspiration Binder, as well as various award entries. Team 359's machinists have been working overtime in order to finish their weekly goals, such as completing the feeder mechanism, mounts for the bumpers, as well as welding the shooter onto the robot and the rotating turret. Motors, gearboxes, and attachments have been made as well. The CAD team has been working vigorously to complete their deadlines of the week, including grouping animation scenes, as well as making environments that are to be used in the animation video. Control Systems touched up the hybrid mode coding. They also brainstormed a plausible auto-aiming process, as well as worked out some of the kinks in the balance assist system. In the past week, we had to say our goodbyes as the Chairman's Award Perpetual Trophy had to be sent back to First. It has been an honor for us to have the trophy here on the islands, as well as to have our name put into the Hall of Fame. Even though things are getting down to the wire here at Wailua, everyone continues to stay on track as the build season comes to an end and competition time comes into perspective. Members are also willing to work overtime in order to make sure that everything is done with great quality and accuracy. I mua Wailua!
Team 359 works tirelessly as we prepare for week 6 and crunch time.
After welding the back part of the robot that will push the ramp down, the construction machinists finally completed the robot. On the system control side, they began working on the electronics board and wired the robot. They also worked on the balance assist, a prototype drive code, and continued to master the Connect programming system.
Meanwhile, the CAD team has removed all glitches and started rendering the animation video. The visual media team continued their filming as well as editing the weekly video. The website creators uploaded articles and pictures daily and made the website more user-friendly.
At the same time, our composition and public relations group worked on sections of our engineering inspiration binder, updated our business plan, and other various award entries with Mr. Lee. We also had several visitors this weekend who were given tours of the robotics facilities. This included managers from McDonald's Hawaii and Dr. Jane Foley from the Milken Family Foundation.
There's only 1 week left and everyone is still working hard to complete their projects. Imua Wailua,